Well, hello and welcome to a well system for ongoing maintenance. Here we'll go through a quick resume of how to update the well data. It starts with manually entering data here. We look at the day summaries, the graphical trends, actions review, and update the website. We'll leave these last two at the moment. So what we're going to do is manually update the well data. So we click on this box here. Then we look at the particular well that we're looking at, which in this case is 3887. That's down that column there. Now we want to grab the last two items and drag it down, which is there. And once again, the last two items and drag it down. That will fill in today's date. Now we can't drag the same of that because this is the text, and the text for this particular one comes from there. Never mind. Just in case you didn't see that text, this is the type of format the text comes in. The AWSOM number, temperature, the voltage, pump count, work date, and the power time. Now the temperature is for number 11, 40.73. 40.73. The voltage, and it goes orange because it's getting high, and that's what these coloured, they're conditional formats. So if it's red, it's in danger, or yellow, it's nearly in danger, and if it's white, it's fine. Right, the battery voltage was 4.58 yesterday, which is really serious, but today it is 5.04, a dramatic improvement, which is fantastic. Then we press the tab button and the pump count is 3,236. So continually incrementing. Let's go back. For example, up here you can see that 17, so it's red. Why did it do there? Well, it was all reset. Right, now we're down to the work day, and the work day is work day 11, and the powered time is 950 30-second units. And that's how to fill in the data, and that's all there is to it. We then click on the back button and the flow menu and save. You've got to save it, which is up there. Okay, just click that little floppy disk icon. Not that many people know what a floppy disk is these days, but there we go, and there we are. So that's updated the data. Now what we're going to do is to look at the graphical trends of that, and we can go into the test well in Tanzania, and this is the 26th, so we've just updated the 26th. So there is the 26th, and we just have a registered litre count of 7 litres, not very many. So let us update this to 27th today, so we always tend to be a day behind. Updated, that's a comment field. Now we can see those comments in action review, and the idea is to get all the wells will just have one comment, and the idea is the 27th. The idea is to print this screen out, and if there's anything untoward, it will kind of tell us. Well, at the moment it's kind of tell us that this is red because the pump count is activity litres is so low, and we can set the amount of error that we're expecting, or we can tolerate before it goes red. So that's a real quick summary of how things are actioned. Right, now we'll come on to item 6, which is updating the website. How do we do that? We go into, once again, the well, and we say, right, the first thing we do is to make sure that the print option, which is a bit iffy, prints to PDF. Okay, so we are printing to PDF, that's what it says here. Then we click here and it says enter AA, so we enter AA, and then we select the well we're looking at, which is 3887. Click 8887, and then we set save and say yes, replace. It says here yes and replace, so we'll say save and then yes and replace. Good. Next thing we do is open the web hosting website. Where are we going to put this on? Well, this is the web hosting. This comes up now, and we enter the username, which at this moment is andain, A-N-D-A-I-N, and the current password. Right, that should be okay, which is fine. Right, now what do we say on the screen? Yes, it says here, enter the file manager website location, which we have just failed to do. There we are, there's the file manager. So we go into file manager and then we enter the 5858 information. Here it is, and we click on there, and then we can see the chart that we're looking at, 3887. So we can expand that, and then what do? We come back to this website again, spreadsheet rather, and then we say done that. Then we drag and drop the selected wells chart. So that comes up now, and we can see all the charts we've got. And then 3887, we take that and drop and drag it very carefully. What has it done? So got to be so careful. Right, I don't know what it's done there, but let us try that once again. Do it slowly this time. We open up 3887, see the chart, left click, hold it down, and then we slowly drag it over to that. So there's two things highlighted, and it will upload. And then the green bar will say successfully uploaded, which is fantastic. Right, and that is how we upload. Now what we do, we close that down, we close that down, and we go back to the flow menu, and we click on the AWSOM logo, and here we come to the monitoring site website, and look at the charts, and 3887, this is a live view, and there we have 27th of November. So this is the well site, and we can see how many are 7 litres yesterday. We have the well name, which is Raindale 1, we have the date it was done. Now we also have some other figures, the voltage, battery voltage over the past 14 days, and the temperature over the past 14 days. We also have a small calibration section to convert the activities into litres, hence the term activity litres up here. Right, now that concludes how to update the well data manually, and how to view the graphical trends, and to change the comments field on the graph, how to do an actions preview and print them out so they can be taken off and actioned where the wells need it. And then we've also updated the website. Right, that is it. That's our 10 minutes up. Thanks very much for watching. Bye bye.